This is our 2005 Honda Odyssey, and when we have it loaded up with people and with gear, the rear end sags down. So we're going to be adding air lifts, air springs to the rear to maintain that height when fully loaded. So this is kit 60815. That'll supply all of the needed equipment, the air springs and the lines to fill it up, and also a heat shield for the back. So we've got our air line, our air springs, installation instructions, as well as a heat shield for the exhaust. The first steps we'll need to do is chock the front wheels, jack up the rear end, remove the rear wheels, and then remove the shock and the lower control arm. Now that we've got the rear of the vehicle up on jack stands, the rear wheel is removed, we need to remove this lower bolt down here. Now we need to lower the jack and then get the spring out. Next we need to remove the bump stop. That's going to be a 14mm socket. Now we need to cut out a template to put on the underside, which will tell us where we have to drill our hole. So we're going to locate this template. It says the hole goes towards the inside of the vehicle. I guess it's going to end up being about the center of where the bump stop was. Yeah. So go ahead and center punch that. And drill a 1/2 inch hole. Okay, next we're going to reinstall the spring with the air spring inside, stem facing down. Next we'll raise the arm and reattach the flange bolt. Okay, now we need to torque it to 33 foot-pounds. This is the equipment they give us for the air hoses. You've got our heat shield for the exhaust, zip ties to secure it, the Schrader valves for the end to fill T if you're going to connect them together, some hose clamps, and then on the line I've already put the heat shield protector for the tube, and then of course our tube. So we're going to go ahead and get this stuff routed underneath the vehicle, get it all put in place. One thing I'm going to do to protect the air line, install this flex loom to keep it from abrasions, from road debris getting kicked up since it's underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that on there and continue getting it installed. And this is Project Flaming Turd. Today we're going to give it a butt lift.